Ever wondered what the top things to do in New York are? Well, let your curiosity be satiated. New York, a city that never sleeps, is always bustling with a myriad of activities, creating an irresistible allure for wanderers worldwide. From its towering skyscrapers to its pulsating nightlife, the city offers a kaleidoscope of experiences that you wouldn't want to miss. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey. Stay tuned as we count down the top things to do in the Big Apple. Starting off our list at number 5, we have Central Park. This iconic green heart of the city is a tranquil haven, nestled amidst the non-stop energy of New York. It's not just a park, it's a world all on its own, offering a breath of fresh air and a much-needed break from the city's hustle and bustle. Central Park is filled with a plethora of activities that cater to all tastes. Fancy a leisurely bike ride? You got it. Want to row a boat on one of the park's serene lakes? Sure thing. Or perhaps you'd prefer to visit the Central Park Zoo, home to a diverse range of animals from snow leopards to penguins. And let's not forget the park's beautiful landscapes, from the blooming cherry trees in spring to the stunning foliage in autumn. So if you're a nature lover, Central Park is a must-visit. Moving on to number 4 on our list, we have Broadway. Broadway, the beating heart of New York's vibrant culture, where the streets hum with the rhythm of music and the air crackles with the energy of live performance. This is the place where dreams are made, where stars are born, and where stories come to life in the most magical way possible. Broadway is home to some of the most popular shows in the world. Think The Lion King, Hamilton, Wicked, and so many more. Each show is a masterpiece, a blend of captivating storytelling, breathtaking performances, and stunning visuals. The experience of watching a Broadway show is like no other. It's not just about watching a play, it's about immersing yourself in a whole new world, living a different life for a few hours. If you're a theater enthusiast, Broadway is definitely a place you can't miss. It's not just a street, it's a phenomenon, a universe of its own. Coming in at number 3, we have Times Square. Often referred to as the crossroads of the world, Times Square is a whirlwind of energy, alive with vibrant color and bustling with activity at all hours. As the heart of New York City's entertainment district, it's a place where dreams are as big as the billboards that light up the night sky. Here, you'll find massive digital displays advertising everything from the latest blockbuster movies to the trendiest fashion brands. The streets are a feast for the senses, filled with the aroma of street food, the sounds of performers, and the sight of iconic yellow taxis weaving their way through the crowd. Times Square also serves as a mecca for shopping enthusiasts, offering everything from high-end boutiques to unique souvenir shops. Whether you're hunting for the latest designer threads or searching for the perfect memento of your trip, you're sure to find it here. For a true New York experience, Times Square is the place to be. At number 2, we can't forget the Statue of Liberty. This iconic copper lady, a beacon of freedom, has been welcoming dreamers from around the globe since 1886. A gift from France, she symbolizes the promise of the American dream, standing tall on Liberty Island, torch held high. The statue is steeped in history, each detail from her crown to her sandals imbued with symbolic meaning. And speaking of her crown, did you know it offers one of the most breathtaking views of the city? Ascending the 354 steps to the crown, you're rewarded with a vista that truly captures the heart of the Big Apple. A visit to New York isn't complete without a trip to the Statue of Liberty. And finally, at number 1, we have the Empire State Building. This iconic landmark is more than just a skyscraper. It's a symbol of New York's resilience and ambition. Completed in 1931, during the Great Depression, it stood as the world's tallest building for nearly 4 decades. This Art Deco masterpiece tells a story of human ingenuity and perseverance. But it's not just about looking at it from the ground. Make your way up to the observation deck, and you're in for a treat. The breathtaking panoramic views of the city that never sleeps are nothing short of mesmerizing. You'll see New York sprawling in all its glory, a testament to the city's vibrant energy and diversity. The Empire State Building is undoubtedly the most popular attraction in New York. So there you have it. From immersing in the natural bliss of Central Park, experiencing the drama on Broadway, feeling the pulse of Times Square, to standing tall with the Statue of Liberty and Empire State Building. Remember, these are just the tip of the iceberg. New York has much more to offer, so what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to the Big Apple now.